Let's talk about the latest launched Honor Smartphone 100 Pro. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K OLED quad curved display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus dual punch hole display. Resolution of 1224 by 2700 pixels, 19.85:9 aspect ratio, approximately 91.2% screen to body ratio. Approximately 437 ppi pixel density, 2600 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony IMX906 SLR level photo main camera, along with 32 megapixel telephoto camera, and 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. For selfies it has with dual camera setup on the front that includes 50 megapixel Sony IMX816 SLR level photo camera, and 2 megapixel depth camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 7.2 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.2 GHz single-core Cortex-X3, plus 2.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A715, plus 2.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A710, plus 2 GHz tri-core Cortex-A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 740 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 512 GB, 1 TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.7 by 74.7 by 8.2 or 8.5 mm, and it weighs around 195 grams, and the color options Monet purple, butterfly blue, moon shadow white, bright black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 100-watt fast charging, 66-watt wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, dual stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C charging port, IR control, NFC, IP68 dust and water resistant, VC liquid cooling system. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor 100 Pro has been expected price in Pakistan for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 134,999 Pakistani rupees, while 16 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 144,999 Pakistani rupees, while 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 154,999 Pakistani rupees, while 16 GB plus 1024 GB storage variant at 169,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So, what do you guys think of this Honor 100 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.